Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get that very popular Stihl 044 Magnum. This is a great saw in the Pacific Northwest, no longer in production, but highly sought after. And this is a really clean saw. And we'll get up close, take a good close look at this one. Controls are right here, easy to get at. It's got the master control lever, which chokes it. And it's got the throttle lock, high rev, and in the off position. It's all in one. It's got an operator presence lever right here. You can't trigger it up until you have this lever down. It's got the foot pad right here for starting on the ground. Put your boot in here and you start this on the ground for safety. Got that elasto start system. It's got some give to it. Saves on your hand when you're starting this. It's got the side load fuel mix cap right there, and then your bar and chain lube oil goes in the front one. Got the rubber mounts so for smooth operation there and on the back. And it's got the fully adjustable oiler, and it's right there. Let's readjust it. Added safety features, this chain catcher right here rotates. That's if the chain were to kick off, it catches it there. It helps give you a little extra time to get out of the way. Got the large tone muffler, set of large falling spikes. It's got that wrap handlebar, and the side adjust on your bar tensioner. You loosen 2 bar nuts up, it's right on the side there, and it's got the adjustable carburetor right there. And we'll go outside and make a cut with this saw.